Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from PartsAuto.com, and here I'm going to show you about that transmission pan and filter. Come on, let's take a look. Motor, oil pan, filter. Next pan you see is a nice flat pan like this. See, take a good hard look. This is your transmission pan, and underneath that transmission pan will be a transmission filter. So, exact count how many bolts you have on the outside of the pan. Take them off evenly. Move the pan down. Normally you cannot drain the fluid out of these pans, so be very careful because there's going to be around 2 quarts of fluid inside that pan. Get yourself a nice bucket down below here. Empty that fluid inside that bucket. Once the pan is down, you'll see a flat filter with one 10mm bolt holding it up. 10mm bolt out, flat filter down, little O-ring in the flat filter. Change the filter, the O-ring, tighten it back up, tighten everything up accordingly. Not very many pounds, about 12 pounds of pressure to put these nuts on. You don't have to over torque them. 12 pounds of pressure is that little vein in your arm when you're turning that thing. That's 12 pounds. Make sure to tighten these up to about 12 pounds, starting from the outside in a cross pattern. Refill your fluids before you start it up, and away you go. You've just done a transmission flush and filter change in your own backyard. Be careful out there.
The part you need